Good morning. So I'm going to stream today during the morning. I don't know really at till what time, but a couple of things here. I started a new. Oh, this is a new entry um, for crude, and crude is moving up. So I'm gonna take this entry. Oh, oh my God! Just close it right there. I committed a mistake, and that cost me $77 right there. This is an error. It was actually a buy order. Probably it's going to reverse anyways. Yeah. Seems that the stochastics is going down. Probably I had to leave it there, but it was a mistake by me. So yeah, this would be probably a reversal. It's been extended. If we see the gold is triggering a an entry as well. So that was a mistake. So it seems that gold wants to go higher here. So when you make a mistake, get out right there. It doesn't matter. If you realize that it's a mistake, go ahead and get out. We do have a week here out of the in gold. We do have a week in the direction of the trend and breaking that that support line. I mean that resistance line. I'm gonna take this this entry here. It's against the higher time frame on the 240s, but it's breaking above the. I'm gonna take that one. Order filled. But it's hopefully it's a winner to recover from that mistake. We'll see. So I believe that it was 70 something or $81 right there. I'm gonna make a note. So $81 in CL at 7 a.m. Mistake. So, and sure enough, Okay, it's marking the entry right here in yellow. You see it's in this bar with this yellow here. It's coming back. So it's it marked this entry right here in yellow, and also let's we'll see if this one is a winner or if it's gonna take me out. So it's not like a strong entry just because this bar didn't paint. It's not really a pivot. It's a continuation entry. That one is the entrance there. So what I normally do is to mark it as entry green, and we'll see if it's going to be a winner or a loser. It's coming back. Seems that found some resistance at 1780. And probably it's going to mark a white bar right there. This is not good. Everything was fine with the entry. This is not fail. I mean, it may fail, but it's not a mistake in an entry. It's a valid entry. So we'll see if it comes back or kept moving down. This one was a break out of this resistance here. Yeah, it seems that it's going to come back on us. We'll see. Yeah. $7:13 a.m. Really, normally I don't take trades this early in the morning, but when I came and started to see how the market was behaving, I saw this big movement in crude. I'm gonna go after this trade. I'm gonna go and check the news for today. We do have plenty of things to talk about. So what I like about what I liked about this entry is that it was breaking out of this uh, resistance level, and then it make this weak out of this 18 moving average. So now it's making another week here. So we do have a double week out of the 20, out of the 18. See if it works. I mean, nothing is guaranteed here, but I didn't like when it came back. But you know, we'll see if it keeps moving up. It seems to it painted another pivot right there, which is good. This pivot paints when you have um, three bars before and three bars after. So that normally is a continuation. It paints a pivot there. So Ghost market for gold opens at 820. Seems that momentum is turning up. So let me put here the point and figure um, chart for gold. So it's trying to break this canvas box here, and it's trying to move up out of this double top right here. Let's see if it works. Now next resistance here would be around this level. It's aligned at this one right there. So 1786. We'll see if it works. So overnight it was selling, then found some resistance here, and then started to move up, breaking this downtrend. Let's see what's going on with crude. Seems that crude is painting a double. Um, it's a little bit too extended. Crude here, but it's moving nicely to the upside. I would like to see a, you know, a move back and then in the higher time frame. But this one is a valid entry actually. Momentum is down. I'm not gonna take it. Momentum seems to be negative still. Gold is trying to go back. Found some resistance here. This was actually a confirmation on the uptrend, but we'll see. If we're taken out, we would. If I'm taken out, I would. I would take the hit for 260 plus the 80. So seems that momentum is coming down. Or momentum is negative here. If it paints another white bar here, this is not a good signal and I'm gonna sell. Yeah. Order filled. That's one. And then I'm gonna take the other one. Order filled. Okay. So that is 225. So okay, I'm gonna wait for the next trade. And crude, surely enough, crude kept moving higher. So this is very extended, but it could keep running. It's actually breaking support in the 30 minutes. Okay, so I mean resistance. So let's review news today. Let's go back here. So we do have 830 unemployment claims. This could move the market. Gold and the indices, ES and Nasdaq. ES, S&P 500 and Nasdaq. So 830. And then 1030 we have natural gas storage. So those are the two news. And the other thing is probably what is making the is making crude moving up is the OPEC meeting. So let's see what happened here. So these are this is a loss for $225 there. Yeah, and this formation here normally results in a reset or a retracement, a continue. So this one is we see this all the time. So comes back, and then probably it's going to find one of these resistance, one of these moving averages, and then move up again. But okay, so news. Let me get my alerts here. So we do have, this is from yesterday. So let's see, I said 8:30. So let's take this one to 8:25. And then we have news at 8:30. And then we do have news at 10:30. So 10:25. Okay, so in that way I get the alerts and then nothing else. So real quick, I'm gonna check the 240 minutes. So ES keeps moving up. Gold is facing some resistance, and this is, I thought that this move, or I think that this move could still moving up here, at least to this level. It's facing some resistance. Also in the 30 minutes, gold can go to the 200 EMA or simple moving average, which is this 1784 level right now. Crude is facing some resistance, but it's bullish in the 30 also. So we'll see some topping tail here in the 30 minutes. There's a doji here in the 30 minutes for gold. So 730 just painted another bar here. So we'll see where it goes. So hopefully we're not chopped out today. Um, See, the good thing to do there when you see a formation that you're familiar with is just to get out. Since the market is moving not that fast, then I moved my targets to meet that price. So instead of stop it out and close the trade, um, I just moved my targets to the level I wanted to sell, and I sold there. So crude is trying to move even higher now. We are right in yesterday's midpoint on the floor pivot. That is what I wanted to say. I'm gonna take this one. Okay, let's see if this one moves or we are taken out again. Okay, another signal to buy in gold. And we're gonna take this one. Order filled. Crude found some resistance here at the yesterday's floor pivot, and also this pivot right here. Gold is moving up. First target is about to be taken. We'll see. Okay, first target is out. Moving my my stop to break even. Break even +1 is what I take. So most of the time I'm taken out. Probably I should give a little bit of more wiggle room. But that's okay. So if I'm not taken out, then it seems that I'm going to be taken out though. So the first one was 100. I'm gonna paint again an arrow here. And I'm gonna paint an arrow down here as well. Oops, this is the wrong side. Arrow up, right there. So the first one was 100. And normally what I do is in here is to move my target to higher levels, depends on the floor pivots of support and resistance, and those are painted yeah, it has troubles to it having some troubles to move above this pivot here, so probably I'm gonna be taken out. Okay, something happened with crude. So crude took the first $100. Okay, crude sold for one target. And actually a little bit more. I'm 62 up. Yeah, gold is having some troubles to keep moving up, and probably I'm gonna be taken out on this one. That would be okay. Lots of topping tails in the 2-minute chart. Hopefully it's taken over by this bar here. Yeah. So moving up a little bit more. That's good. And keep moving. And now I'm gonna start trailing this one for a little bit more profit if it keeps moving up. So I'm gonna follow this one all the way to this box here for target, since I don't have the pivots. The floor pivots are painted at 8:20 a.m. when gold market opens. So okay, I'm gonna right below this, and if I take the 300, that would be okay. When if not, right now the trailing would be 150. Let's see if this one moves a little bit more. Let's give some room. I like this trade, I guess. So that one is made out of the. If it comes back, then it's 150. That's okay. That's a runner, right? So let the runner run. So we are at 240 now. And we have 1786 um, resistance out of the um, out of the point and figure chart. So let's show that one there. So there's a pivot right there, and then came back down, and now it's moving up. So let's see if 1786 is a good target for this move. I'm at 1784. I would be happy with that. If it comes back, it's only $150, which is fine. Then wait for the next opportunity. Seems that is going to take me out. First candle back. And it's going to take me out, it seems. 1782 for 150 bucks. So the first one was 100 in gold. In the second one, we'll see if it takes me out. Yep, it took me out. So here it's the entry was right there. Let's see. So I'm at 200 for the day. So I'm gonna put here plus 100 plus 150. So something like that, you know. So that's the entry. That's first exit, and then second exit for 150 for 250. So I'm at $200. I do the exact calculation later on, but so a little bit of congestion here. Let's go back to the point and figure chart and see what happened here. So it came back, took me out, and we'll see if it paints red bars and then keeps the trend. Crude is a little bit extended in a point and figure. Well, a little bit, it's very extended. So this is a big bar. Overnight, most of it. Well, we're still overnight, but big bar right here. But it keeps moving up. That was a valid entry. I'm gonna wait until it comes back a little. Sometimes I lose big moves because of so let's do something interesting here just to analyze this. Let me extend this. So just to look where we are, so what I'm going to do is to put the global tag. So let's see. I'm going to okay. So let's check right here. So this one was at 4 a.m. started to paint this one. This level here is at $81 right there. Then did this retrace and then kept moving. I probably, I with this big move from yesterday, then I'm not sure if I was going to take it because it's against the trend. But now it started to trend up, so big move right here. It's the highest of the level right there. But it's I would like it to see it coming back down. Hopefully it happens. Yesterday it was a three some dollars move. Now it's 175. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 boxes to the upside. So it's a little bit too much. But it's kept moving up. It's moving up. So all of these weeks are happening in the context of this big trend here. That one there, this one here, all of them, right? All of them. And this is at 5:30, so no way I was not even up at that time. But now it's very extended. So let's see if it comes back a little and then resumes the uptrend. Double top, reversal trade. I don't take reversal trades. So we are at $200. So it seems that gold wants to paint another pivot to the upside. So 3 minutes to 8 a.m. So momentum is negative here. Not really a good sign for uptrend, but we'll see. Seems that crude now is in consolidation. I would expect the point and figure to go back a little bit and then keep going. Still have in my mind this 1786 level in gold. I really would like gold to come back a little bit more before it paints the white bar here. Probably it's not going to do it and it's going to keep going. Eight a.m. Oh, that's typical. I should have a oh, it moved too fast, man. Oh my. Okay, white bar there. That was a good. That was good for one target at least. 8 a.m. is moving. Found resistance at 200 MA moving average in the 30 minutes. So let's give a little bit of time to consolidate this and see what's going to happen. Most likely it's going to move up. Yeah, it's painting higher highs and higher lows anyways. Let's give a little bit of time there. Probably painting a lower high here. Yeah, found resistance at the 200. Right there. 200 on the 30 minutes. Good reset though. Moving below the cloud. Breaking this uptrend. Counter trade. I don't take counter trades. This is definitely in consolidation here. Week out of the cloud. Higher time frame is still up. So we'll see where it goes. Once to this, it seems that it's deciding what to do with this, but it's consolidating. So in this time frame, it's below the cloud, which suggests a further move to the downside, even though the 200 moving average is moving up. So it's in an uptrend in the higher time frame. Crude is below the, it's in the cloud now. And gold is in the cloud as well. Momentum in gold is positive. So I would say that this one can keep going up. Higher time frame is above the cloud. This one is a trend reversal, going back to the upside, but it's in the cloud, so I may miss this move. I painted a pivot level right there. I'm gonna snap it right there. Sometimes this one doesn't work. Crude is moving out of the cloud. Not clear what still in the point and figure uptrend, but hasn't painted any red circles. Some resistance here in gold. A lot of choppiness here. I started not to like this. Stay away a little bit and sit in my hands. This is the resistance level in crude. Double top. I wanted to see to come back a little bit more and then resume the trend, but it's not doing it. Super ES is moving up. This is crazy. It's been in an uptrend. Yeah, I'm gonna stay out a little bit on trading. I want to see what's going on. It's 8, at least. Well, there's gonna be at 8:20 the market will open and it's going to paint the levels, the pivot levels. Let's leave it there for now. Markets are very extended on the ES. I'm at $200 for the day. And one of the biggest mistakes I make is to trade in the chop, and this is really difficult. um, to stay away, because you always think that this is the point where it's going to explode, and it may. But while you are in the zone, in the chop zone, then you have to stay away. So how to identify that? It's finding a pivot high and a pivot low, a significant pivot high and significant pivot low. So let's see here. Let's review this a little bit. So I do have a pivot, and probably in the higher time frame. I'm gonna show this one here. So see, this is a significant pivot high right here. It has not comes back. So far this is the significant pivot high, and the significant pivot low is around this area right here. So this is a monster move back to reverse what happened yesterday. This one wants to keep moving up. 82.69 level. It is a valid entry, though. It was that they're out of the cloud, and with a double top, at least to the double top. For one target would have been a good trade. Seems that gold wants to go up and break the 200 moving average. In the chop zone, though. So level of support, of resistance and support, and in the chop zone. So we'll see what it does from here. This is a minor channel. There's another minor channel right here. Up, down, up, down, up. Leaning to the upside, though. The 200 moving average is moving up. And the point and figure painted already this red, and it's trying to break to the upside. Now we do have some support, some resistance here at 1786. See, very tempting to take this one, this entry right here to that level up there. But it's in the chop zone. So there's a resistance here, resistance there. So I want to see crude to go back and reset a little bit. And it's coming back down. See, this is a resistance level. So let's just watch what it does from here. 2 minutes for the ghost gold open, or let's review this in Thinkorswim. So Bitcoin is coming down. Crude, nice big move starting at 3 a.m. and we have just captured this little bit of nothing from 7 a.m. So in the daily, look at this, reversed almost the whole move to the downside from yesterday, going back up to inside this trend line. ES. Now I don't expect ES to move that much to the upside today, because yesterday it was a big day, but we'll see. And gold is making the move up, reversed all the way here yesterday, and now overnight it's doing this. We came here at 7 a.m. and we have seen only this side here, from here all the way up. And then 1786 is the resistance that I see there. And it keeps moving up. It's breaking that 820. So let's extend this to see the levels. So the pivot level, the pivot is right here. Target resistance level is a 1794. Right in the mid now at 1785.4. It's breaking. Let's see if it comes back a little. Seems that it wants to break. I'm gonna take this. Order filled. Let's see if it keeps going up or reverses on us. I'm gonna tie the stops here. This break sometimes reverse quickly. Because ran out of stops. So I'm just going to play safe, not giving that much space here to reverse on me. Yeah, it's probably going to take me out, running out of stops. Yeah, order filled. That's fine. $53. Let's see if it keeps moving up now. News at 8:30. Oh, that, you know, should have that page up. 8:30 unemployment claims. These are big news, so let's hold the bag now. Really, the entry was there. That's fine. This is I'm gonna make a 150. See, found it. It found the pivot right there. Amazing. Let's wait a little bit now for news. 3 minutes. I'm gonna just sit and watch. Okay, news are out. So we have here unemployment, which was it's right in line of expectations. Not big difference in between 273 and 269. So this might be good for the market. Gold is trying to break up again. Yep, it did. And I'm out. Let's see if it gives us another entry here in this uptrend. If I take this one right now, it would be with no rules. So I'm not going to take it. So most of the time when I just jump in, I get burned. So we'll not do it this time. Just watching, sitting here. This is going to move up. Look at that. Nice move. Gold, crude is gaining also some. Okay, gold now is below the 34 EMA. Retracing back a little bit and then bouncing back up. Coming back down again. Right at the breakout level. Weak out of the cloud. Let's see if this one works. Momentum was down though. Yeah, probably it's not gonna work. We'll see. One target up. Moving my stop to break even. So that was good for $100. And now I'm gonna move this up. Let's see what we can do here. So we do have resistance right there, right? Let's see if it takes us all the way up there, and if not, it doesn't, right? See if it... Seems, yep, came back. We're at 206, back to 200. So the first one was $100 here. and the other one might be for 150, something like that. I'm gonna calculate later. So lower high right here. $8.42. Crude still in this range. Now we have a pivot high and a pivot low right here. So let's paint it. There's a weak. The only thing that I don't like on this one is this high, lower high right here. So which means that we could be in a consolidation area, right? So if we see the price going above this level, then this is a better entry. Yeah, seems that we will have a little bit of consolidation time. We'll see. Higher low. I'm going to take this breakout. Let's see if it works for us. And if it doesn't, then it's going to run out of stops and then comes back. I'm going to risk that. $140. Again. Breakouts are tough for me. I really I prefer to trade the pivots. Yeah, taken out and then moved up. Oops. So I'm gonna take this one again and see if it this time. And this is where you can get burned. When you try to enter, try to enter, try to enter. Seems that it's gonna fail again. I'm at minus 80. I'm gonna put it actually below this pivot. Hopefully it doesn't come back. It will. Doesn't want to stay up. There we go. Come on. I'm gonna reduce my risk a little bit here. Okay, first target out. I'm at 133. Let's see if it goes to R1. gonna tie the stop a little bit just to, we're at 150 or 60 actually, if it stops us out. $180. $70 if it stops us out. All right, 80, okay. There's a tail right there. Okay, moved up a little bit, 120. It's going to give us the 330, and I'm gonna be out of there. That would be my target. Okay, trailing back down. Okay, I wanna 150. Seems that it's going to stop us out. In fact, I should have the stop right below this this one here, right? But that's okay. It painted a white bar already, so if it doesn't go back up, then it's going to keep moving down. So I'm okay with 150. If it's a stop, it's going to be probably 140 actually. Yeah, wants to come back. There we go. Out. $271. And crude is started to move up. Broke that off. I should have. Okay, one thing that I'm gonna start doing is I missed that one again. I'm not gonna. I have several monitors, but still. Okay, guys. So thank you for watching 271. I may do some additional trades during the day today. We'll see how the market goes, but I'm going to stop the broadcast now. So thank you for watching and have a great day. Keep safe and don't trade in the range. Man, there's another entry right here, all the way up to the target. That's fine. Thank you for watching.